We're about to show you wonderful things that athletes do in spite of competition. As for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Basketball player Giannis Antetokounmpo has a long surname and a big heart. And here he is, taking a look at this girl's artwork, appreciating the amount of time and effort she must have spent making it and how much it means to her. And this soccer player has great reflexes. The boy found the most adorable way to cheer marathon runners. I doubt that this guy will be winning the race. Just watch how concerned she is for her opponent. Marathon runner Matthew Rees had just over 600 feet left before the finish line when he spotted an injured runner on the ground. As a result, he sacrificed his own time to help his competition cross the finish line. When you knock your opponent out first and take care of him later.
Respect between both fighters.
Yeah, that is a really nice touch.
And this hockey player fulfilled this girl's poster request to be her Valentine by giving her a puck. How do you think these two When this archer's bow release malfunctioned, his opponent could have used it to his advantage and score extra points. Instead, he decided to deliberately forfeit his shot to level the playing field. As a result, his win was fully justified.
É de desportivismo de forma a manter a pontuação.
Figure skaters that won silver and bronze at the World Championships helped the gold medalist get up on the podium. During a soccer match, one player's hijab came off, and watch the way the other athletes supported her. And LeBron James gave his wristband to a young fan holding up a poster that said, "You are more than an athlete." And soccer player Lars Bender was about to take a penalty during the final game of his career, and the goalkeeper moved aside, allowing him to score. This triathlon athlete noticed that the person ahead of him went the wrong way. He decided to wait for him and settle for a deserved third place. After winning, he went to consult his opponents. He definitely deserves respect. To stop the play and admit you touched the ball during a point like this tennis player did, now that's a fair game. Care level 10,000,000%. During the national anthem, the Japanese figure skater felt uncomfortable with his back turned to the flag. Thankfully, the Canadian skater came to his aid. I doubt that this jockey would have ended well if it weren't for his opponent. This is what hailing a cab looks like during a MotoGP. And here's another example when an athlete sacrificed her time to help an injured competitor. Just look at the way these soccer players rush to their colleagues' rescue, regardless of their team. It's not just runners who help each other get over the finish line. They found each other. After a fight, the losing opponent's mother hugged the fighter who just conquered her son. Just listen to this.
It's okay. It's not good. Let's go, boy. It's all good. Be encouraged. You hear me? Keep on working because it's going to come for you. And you take it to him. It's all good.
A beautiful way to weigh himself and a joy for the girl. A tennis player was forced to leave the competition due to an ankle injury. Who could have thought that her opponent would console her in such a touching way? When a high school student tore her ACL during her first ever home run, the opponents came to her aid. And this soccer player refused to score a goal when he noticed what happened to his opponent. Even Conor McGregor can support and encourage his opponent. And here is one of the ways to become friends with the referee. When you're expecting to be finished, but instead, that's why you need fans. Not all heroes wear capes. Some wear a dinosaur costume. Or just a regular t-shirt. Small hockey player fell and couldn't get back up for a long time, but then his opponent came to help him. Just look at their emotions as they cross the finish line. Although these women are in competition, they are still ready to help each other. When this fighter dislocated his shoulder, his opponent could have finished the fight and claimed victory. But watch what he does instead. You can also support us by subscribing and sharing the video with your friends. Good luck!